everyone! Orange HRM introduces a number of new features and enhancements to each product release. This video summarizes the key features incorporated into the product from version 7.8.1 to 7.9. Let's go ahead and explore the new features which have been added for this release. Recruitment. The HR admin users can create job offer letters, job confirmation letters, and the respective letters which will be important in a hiring process under document templates within the system. So when you hire a new candidate and add them as an employee, you can quickly create the job offer letters and send it to the candidate. A new set of tokens have been introduced for recruitment documents and are referred to as logged-in user tokens. In order to make it simple for you to identify who authored a certain letter, we may now mention the names of the token's logged-in users and their jobs in the letters. Orange HRM has added the ability to add an e-sign request to job offer letters through OneSpan Sign. This can be done by enabling an e-signature request option in the document template, sending the document with the e-signature request enabled, and entering the e-signature for the document. The candidate must click on the Accept Terms and Conditions box presented by the service provider, view the letter, and click on the Sign button to sign. The hiring manager can download the signed document through OneSpan. The Email History and Attachments tabs provide a centralized location for all communication with a candidate, allowing users to view sent emails and resent requests. Employee Management. The Employee Dashboard feature adds new widgets to provide high-level information about an employee quickly and easily. In this version, we have incorporated two new widgets: Performance Tracker Widget and Performance Goals/OKRs. In this way, you can now easily check the status of the goals in one single section. Attendance. Orange HRM mobile app had the feature to capture geolocation and selfie in the attendance module. To complete the feature, in the new release, the web application has the capability to display the captured geolocation and selfie in the attendance module. Performance. Orange HRM Performance Tracker helps organizations manage and evaluate employee performance. Now it is possible to filter the performance tracker list by tracker name, added date, location, job title, employee name, modified date, and subunit, and export that into a CSV. Leave. Leave in hours is the amount of time an employee has requested off from work, typically measured in hours instead of days. Now the system admins can create hourly-based leave types in the system. This rule applies when creating new leave types, specifying the duration unit. Adding entitlements, apply or assigning leave will show in hourly format. Core Module. The Orange HRM system now has the ability to enable the Remember Me feature, which allows users to keep logged into the system for 30 days, and this can be configurable from the backend. This will save time for the user, not having to log in each time. Additionally, the user can log out from multiple signed-in web browsers and receive alerts and reminders for upcoming employee birthdays. Now the user can also add a background image to an email body and use a new token to add a profile picture. Supported Browser. With this release, a new addition to the Orange HRM supported browsers. Now Safari browser support is available along with the other supported browsers. From the mobile new release, these are the new features. View documents. Employees can now view and acknowledge published documents. This feature is available for mobile apps connected to Orange HRM Advanced Web version 7.9 and above. Leave balance display. You can now view leave balances and durations in hours for the configured leave types. Request Desk. The system now includes a new request type called Resignation Request, enabling employees to swiftly and effortlessly submit their resignation requests. If an employee needs to submit a self-resignation request, now he or she can do it easily by selecting Resignation Request from the request list. The latest update now offers support for a maximum of 5 approval levels, giving users the option to designate the default approver for each level during the request definition process. If a certain request needed more than 3 levels of approvals, we can now add more levels through this feature. We can also add immediate supervisor, or we can add default approvers as level approvers based on the requirement. The enhanced delegation capabilities enable a primary request owner to seamlessly assign tasks to a secondary owner whenever necessary. If you are to go on a vacation, and if you need to delegate your task or request to a colleague, now you can do it with this new feature by assigning the request to a colleague as a secondary owner. The request closure report has been improved to incorporate the duration it takes to close requests. Travel and expense. Whenever expenses are designated as paid, Orange HRM automatically generates and sends a notification email called the Paid Claim Notification to alert recipients about the successful payment status of the claim. When users choose the travel start and travel end dates for their travel requests in Orange HRM, the system now automatically calculates the travel duration, eliminating the need for a manual calculation. Online training module. Orange HRM has introduced a new user interface screen specifically designed for admin users, facilitating effortless visualization of the progress and assessment outcomes for each employee's course attempts. When the maximum number of attempts for online assessment courses is reached, an email notification is automatically generated and sent to inform the relevant individuals. On/offboarding. Orange HRM now offers enhanced data uploading capabilities for onboarding task types by system admin, making it easier to define multiple task types promptly by uploading a CSV file. Additionally, task types can be exported to a CSV file for convenient management and sharing. Within the Employee Tasks screen in Orange HRM, there are now 2 additional columns that display the assigned date and completion date of tasks, providing a centralized view of this information. Attendance. In this release, additional adjustments have been made to the employee's summary attendance report in Orange HRM to capture a more comprehensive range of information. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.